So I can get your number type shit?
Yeah.
Why do you do that?
All right, go ahead, put that joint in, bro.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Make sure I got service. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, go ahead, put that joint in.
Let's go.
Look, hey, come.
This your phone?
My shit.
This your shit?
Yeah. I got like 30 minutes. I got like 30 minutes on this joint, but I can use it just to talk
Minutes?
to you. Yeah, I got minutes, bro. Like, I got buy some more tomorrow type shit. Don't drop no dime. You do that time. Ain't gon' never 6'9". Nah, that man ain't gon' snitch. No, I ain't no bitch. On 50, rich. She wanna be my lady. She wanna have my baby. No baby. She wanna fuck my Mercedes. I ain't got no Mercedes. I got her. Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rob Philippe, and I'm back here with
Aisha.
I get a 360. Okay. How you feeling today?
I'm drunk, but I'm feeling like
What's your type of man type shit?
I don't know. They gotta be cute. You gotta be funny. I like a nigga that's funny. And I don't know. Pretty much just funny. Just
So what
funny.
about me? I fit this description.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you because you tall and you cute. So what's up?
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I'll give you a 10.
So 10, I can get your number.
Yeah, let me. Hold on. Cause what the fuck is that?
My phone?
Nah, nigga. This your phone?
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rob Philippe, and I'm here with
Kiara. Mariah.
I get a 360 for the camera. How y'all feeling today?
I'm feeling real good.
How you feeling today?
I'm feeling good as fuck.
You look good.
Thank you.
You look good.
Thank you.
Alright, so what's your type of man?
My type of man.
Yeah,
I
like
love-
skin complexion and shit, like
Skin complexion. I love me a chocolate man. A gentleman. A nigga that, he know how to put that shit down.
so can I kind of pass? Am I light skin? What am I?
You like brown skin.
So
I like your goals.
I appreciate it. So I pass type shit?
You pass.
Alright. What's your type of man?
You like light skin.
Nah, like I do, but if you light skin, brown skin, dark skin, you can get at me. I don't discriminate.
Alright. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I give you like an 8.
So what?
I'm gonna put an 8. You got that shit on tonight.
Yeah.
Alright. So the last question, I can get your number.
You can get my Instagram. You can get my
I'm gonna come back to that.
Okay.
So I can get your number.
Yeah.
That's a fact. We gonna lock in, but hold on. You gotta put it on there. This number. What?
Girl?
Yeah. That's my phone. You don't believe that's my phone?
Take a picture.
Yeah, what a
Hold
picture.
on. Hold on.
You don't even know how to work it.
I do. I just got it today.
Okay.
It's my birthday. It was a gift.
Oh, happy
It's your birthday,
birthday.
It's not your birthday, so
What
Yeah,
you doing
my
for your
birthday.
birthday?
Working, filming. Damn. I don't even know how to work it.
I know how to work it.
Oh, you not working?
Yes.
I want to take
I'ma
a picture
show you.
on that bitch.
So what you do is
Oh, hold on. I know how to get to the picture. Hold on.
okay.
Yeah.
We can't take no selfie though. She gotta take the picture.
No, like this.
It took it. I heard it.
All right, let's see what it look like.
Are y'all ready?
All right.
How many subscribers you got?
I got 3K. That ain't a lot though. But I got down. You don't believe this is my real phone?
You have a phone in your hand.
It's her phone.
Nah, that's your real phone.
No, this is her phone. This is my phone. You don't believe it? I got 30 minutes on my phone, but I can use it to talk to you and buy some more tomorrow.
All right. Yeah.
All right, bet.
Yeah.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rob Philippe, and I'm here with
Nevaeh.
We get a 360 for the camera. Okay. Bond is on fleet. Okay. Goddamn. right, so what's your type of man touch? You like light skin, brown skin, tall?
I don't like light skins. But anything other than that, you straight.
So, me type
You gotta be
shit.
tall though. You gotta be taller than me. I'm short.
So I'm good.
I mean, yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah.
All right, on the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Huh?
On the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Like, fuck you. I'm sorry.
I mean, you can do a little better with the belt, but other than that, I give you a smooth now.
So I can get your number type shit?
Yeah.
Why do you do that?
All right, go ahead, put that joint in, bro.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's going on?
Come on. Wait.
Hold on. Make sure I got service. Hold on. Hey, go ahead and put that joint in.
Let's go.
Look. Hey, come on, bro. Go ahead and put that joint in.
Right. Oh my god.
Like, wait.
Wrap it the fuck up. Wrap it up.
So you gonna call me tonight? I might not can FaceTime you, but you gonna call me tonight?
I got you.
All right, I appreciate you.
Alright.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rob Fleek, and I'm back with a video. I'm back with a banger, and today I'm here with
Bonnie.
I get a 360 for the camera. Okay. How you feeling today?
I'm good.
You look good.
Thank you.
Describe like your man. You like light skin, brown skin, tall.
I like it with melanin real dark. You feel what I'm saying? You got some, but yeah, like that.
So I passed the test type
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
You got some nice eyes.
Thank
So on the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
you. Got a solid 8. Solid
8, take you on a date.
8. 8 take me on a date. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right. So last question is, can I get your number?
Yeah, sure.
Why you gotta think about it? All right, but hold on. Go ahead, put that joint on. Why you looking like that? I can't. You said I can get your number. I can't get your number. You can take a picture. Look, you can take a picture of me. Hold on. Look. You can take a picture of me. Look.
Okay.
All right, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rob Fleek, and I'm here with.
Okay.
How you doing today?
I'm alright.
Get a little 360 for the camera. Okay. All right, so describe your man and shit type shit. You like light skin, brown skin, or you don't discriminate?
I don't think I discriminate, but I'm just not too fond of light skins.
So I pass the test type shit a little bit.
I don't know. I'm kind of on a light caramel wave right now.
I'm caramel. I'm not caramel.
You not light caramel though. You like dark caramel.
So all right. So next question is, on the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me? Hold on. All right, go ahead.
A scale of 1 to 10. Maybe like a 6.
Alright. Next question is, can I get your number?
No. I don't give out my number.
Come on, bro.
I don't give out my number, for real.
I can FaceTime, do all that shit on there. It might not look like it. And it's touchscreen.
You gotta put minutes on that.
Yeah, but I can use all my minutes to talk to you.
I really don't give out my number.
Alright, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rob Fleek, and I'm here with.
Katie Potato. Amaya Nicole.
I get 360 for the camera.
No.
360?
She like, hell no.
Alright, so how you feeling today?
Good as a bitch. You already.
How you feeling?
Great. GRA.
Alright. So, goddamn, what's your type shit? Like, describe your man type shit. Light skin, brown skin, dark skin, what?
I like brown skins. I like light skins. I like them tall. Shit, they gotta have money.
Shit, treat me right for real.
You describe me type shit. Well, all right. What's your type of man? Like light skin, brown skin, dreadheads? What are the?
I like dark skin, brown skin. I don't like light skin niggas. Though.
So I could pass for the test type shit.
I don't know, maybe.
All right. So next question is on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I give you an 8.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Like a 7, 8, yeah.
All right. So look. Last question is, I get your number. Huh? I get your number?
Yeah, you can my number.
I bet. I can get your number?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Hold on real quick. Hold on.
Whoa.
Go ahead, bro. I need your number.
What the fuck?
Like, what's going on? Like, I can't get y'all number.
What is that?
Look, like, they take pictures and everything. Like, come on, look, like, you want, go ahead, pose for.
How many minutes you got?
Huh?
How many minutes you got?
I got 30 minutes, but I can use my last 30 minutes to talk to you. So y'all not gonna give me the number because I got the flip?
It take longer to talk like on the phone. Like 30 minutes is nothing. Like you
So,
don't have to keep.
I know that, but that's gonna make you want to see me though. I don't think they fucking with it. Y'all ain't fucking with it?
Like
Y'all ain't fucking with it? Go ahead, put it in. I got Instagram, all that. I just got minutes though. I just got curved on camera with the flip phone. But it's cool. That's her phone.
she can have my number.
She got your number? Hey, cameraman, I think she wants your number. How you feeling today?
I don't know nobody out this bitch at all.
Describe your type guys, type shit. Light skin, brown skin, short guys, what?
It don't matter. But all I know is these niggas out here fine as a bitch.
So I can pass the test type shit.
Yeah, I guess.
I bet. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Like a slight motherfucking 8.5.
All right, we get a 360 for the camera. All right, too much for the camera. All right, look. Come on. All right, so I can get your number type shit?
No. It's too many niggas out here.
Come on, bro, like.
No.
Come on, bro, use all my minutes on you.
Alright.
Word.
04.
She know how to use that bitch. Oh, yeah, we locked in. We locked in. That ain't got to say no. We locked in.
Bye.